Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and I did an ornament swap for the Maker Exchange, and it's hosted by Fam of Livy's Lovelies, and we were paired up to do like an ornament swap, a handmade ornament swap. So mine, this is what it looks like. It's just got some ribbon, some little bells from the Dollar Tree, some little stickers and ornaments, or little, these were mini ornaments actually from Hobby Lobby. And then it's like a little shaker. It's a double-sided shaker with some lace on the side. And I have little ice skates in here. And these, that's from the Winter Soul kit, the ice skates are. And the little background image is from a copy, some computer paper that I got from a thrift shop. So it kind of looks like a little snowy scene, winter snowy scene. Both of them have that background snowy scene. And this little bell that's inside of here, or ornament that's inside of the ornament, is one that I had made from the freebie kit, Christmas Charm, from my Multimedia Crafts digital blog. That's where it comes from. And then I just added some extra little sequins and fake snow and different little things like that. But basically all I did for the whole ornament was I uploaded a PNG file into Cricut Design Space, and I cut out several of the outer parts of the ornaments multiple times, and then I'd originally cut out the acetate as well, but the size acetate that I cut out wasn't big enough, so I had to just set one of the outer shells of the ornament over top of some acetate and then cut it out, and then did my layering and added my insides and all that stuff in there. And then afterwards all I did was just took some lace and went around the edge with some of this this beautiful like floral lace, and I let it dry. Then I went back around with some I took a glue gun and went around and glued on some of this twine and did the same thing up through here, and then just added a bow on each side and some of these little charms. Real simple, but yeah. So go over to the Maker Exchange, where you can find it's a fun group, different people, different works of art, different types of crafts, mainly paper crafting, but still go over there and check it out. And then you can get involved in different swaps and different things like that. It's so much fun when you create with other people and swap and make stuff for each other. It's really fun. And this right here is what I received from my swap partner. Look at the detail in there. Look at this gorgeous, all this bling. She got the beautiful pearls and different little embellishments and things like that. I absolutely love this, and she's got like some fabric behind it, and I really love these peacock feathers. That right there I really love. And the colors, I love the blues and the greens and teals and all that. And then she's got Merry Christmas on the back of it. This is just so beautiful. She has a pretty handwriting too. And then the handle have these beautiful little gems on them, and so that they can hang off the tree. She did an amazing job on this. Very well crafted, and I love it. I absolutely really love this. Thank you. Alright, so I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos and my blogs and my social media sites. And as always, I thank you for watching.